How to zoom in, out using camera control button. Today, I'm going to show you a super handy trick for your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Ever struggled with getting that perfect zoomed shot or video? Well, with the new camera control button, it's easier than ever. This button gives you direct control over multiple camera functions, and zooming is one of the best. Let's dive in. To get started, we're going to launch the camera by tapping on the camera control button. Once your camera is open, let's set it up to zoom. First, make sure the zoom option is selected. You can do this by double tapping the camera control button, which brings up a menu with more options. Now, slide over the button until you find zoom on your screen. Once it's visible, tap to select it. Now that we have the zoom feature ready, let's go through how to actually zoom in and out. If you want to zoom out to capture a wider frame, slide your finger from the left side of the button to the right. And to zoom in, do the opposite. Just slide your finger from the right side to the left. You'll notice the camera smoothly zooms in and out based on your movement, giving you just the view you want. If you're using the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max, you're in for a treat. These models come with a 5x optical lens, allowing you to zoom up to 25 times for photos. That's perfect for those detailed close-ups. And when you're recording videos, you can zoom up to 15 times. It's fantastic for capturing both wide landscapes and close-up shots in crystal clear detail. Give it a try and see how much control you have over your zoom. And that's it. With this easy method, you can now zoom like a pro on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching.